Who is in your family?
My family includes my mom, dad, and me.
What is your dad's name?
My dad's name is John.
How many brothers or sisters do you have?
I have one sister.
What's your sister's name?
Her name is Emily.
Where does your family live?
We live in a house in the city.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, we have a cat named Whiskers.
What do you like doing with your family?
We enjoy going for walks and playing board games.
When is your mom's birthday?
My mom's birthday is on May 15th.
What's your favorite family meal?
I love when we have spaghetti for dinner.
Do you celebrate any family traditions?
Yes, every Christmas, we decorate the tree together.
How old is your dad?
My dad is 35 years old.
What do your parents do for work?
My mom is a teacher, and my dad works in an office.
Where did your family go on the last vacation?
We went to the beach for our last vacation.
What's your favorite memory with your family?
My favorite memory is when we went camping last summer.
Do you have any cousins?
Yes, I have two cousins, Mark and Sarah.
What's your favorite family game?
I love playing Monopoly with my family.
Who helps you with your homework?
My mom usually helps me with my homework.
What is your family's favorite movie?
We all enjoy watching The Lion King together.
How do you celebrate birthdays in your family?
We usually have a small party with cake and presents.
Does your family have any special traditions on holidays?
On holidays, we always have a big family dinner and exchange gifts.
What's your favorite activity to do with your siblings?
I enjoy playing video games with my brother.
Do you have a family photo album?
Yes, we have a photo album with pictures from vacations and special occasions.
Who wakes up first in your family?
Usually, my mom wakes up first to prepare breakfast.
Do you have a family car?
Yes, we have a blue car that we use for trips and outings.
What's your family's favorite dessert?
We all love eating ice cream after dinner. How does your family celebrate New Year's Eve?
We stay up late, watch fireworks, and toast with sparkling grape juice.
What's your favorite thing about your grandparents?
I love listening to their stories and spending time with them.
Does your family have any nicknames for each other?
Yes, my dad calls me Champ, and I call my sister Sis.
Who decides what's for dinner in your family?
My mom usually plans and decides what to cook for dinner.
Do you have any family traditions on Sundays?
Yes, on Sundays, we often have a family brunch together.
What's your family's favorite board game?
We really enjoy playing Scrabble as a family.
How often does your family have a movie night?
We have a movie night every Friday.
Who helps with household chores in your family?
We all contribute, but my sister and I help with cleaning our rooms.
What's your favorite holiday to celebrate as a family?
Christmas is my favorite because of the decorations and presents.
Does your family have any inside jokes?
Yes, we have a few funny jokes that only we understand.
What's your family's favorite type of music?
We enjoy listening to pop music together.
Does your family have a garden?
Yes, we have a small garden where we grow flowers and vegetables.
What's your family's bedtime routine?
We brush our teeth, read a bedtime story, and then go to sleep.
How do you celebrate your parents' anniversary?
We usually make a special dinner and give them handmade cards.
Do you have a family pet peeve?
Our family pet peeve is leaving dirty dishes in the sink.
What's your favorite family outing?
I love going to the park with my family.
How does your family celebrate achievements or good news?
We usually go out for ice cream to celebrate.
Who helps you pick out your clothes in the morning?
My mom helps me choose what to wear.
What's your family's favorite type of pizza?
We all like pepperoni pizza the most.
Who tells the best bedtime stories in your family?
My dad tells the most exciting bedtime stories.
How does your family spend a rainy day?
We play board games and watch movies indoors.
What's your family's favorite winter activity?
We enjoy building snowmen together in the winter.
Who in your family is the best cook?
My grandma is the best cook in our family.
What's your favorite thing about family gatherings?
I love the delicious food and spending time with everyone.
How do you and your family show kindness to each other?
We often say kind words and help each other with tasks. What's your favorite family holiday tradition?
Decorating the Christmas tree together is my favorite tradition.
How does your family celebrate someone's achievement at school?
We usually have a special dinner to celebrate good grades.
What's your family's favorite outdoor activity?
We enjoy going for bike rides as a family.
Who helps you with your homework when it's challenging?
My older sister often helps me with difficult homework.
What's your family's favorite fruit?
We all love eating apples as a family snack.
How does your family celebrate Halloween?
We carve pumpkins and go trick-or-treating together.
Who in your family is the best at telling jokes?
My uncle always makes us laugh with his jokes.
What's your family's favorite place to go for a day out?
The zoo is our favorite place for a family day out.
How do you and your family celebrate the first day of summer?
We usually have a barbecue and eat ice cream.
What's your family's favorite bedtime snack?
We enjoy having a glass of milk and cookies before bedtime.
What's your family's favorite season, and why?
We love winter because we can play in the snow and build snowmen.
How does your family celebrate a family member's birthday?
We have a birthday party with cake, balloons, and presents.
Who helps with setting the table for meals in your family?
Setting the table is a job for everyone, but I usually help my mom.
What's your family's favorite game to play outdoors?
We enjoy playing frisbee together in the backyard.
How does your family handle disagreements or arguments?
We talk calmly and try to find a solution that makes everyone happy.
What's your family's favorite television show to watch together?
We all enjoy watching nature documentaries as a family.
Who is the tallest person in your family?
My dad is the tallest person in our family.
What's your family's favorite breakfast food?
Pancakes with syrup are our favorite breakfast treat.
How does your family spend a lazy Sunday afternoon?
We often have a movie marathon and snack on popcorn.
Who is the most adventurous person in your family?
My older brother is the most adventurous. He loves trying new things.
What's your family's favorite bedtime story?
We love reading Goodnight Moon together before bedtime.
How does your family celebrate the last day of school?
We usually have a small party and go out for ice cream.
Who helps with packing lunches for school in your family?
My mom and I work together to pack lunches for school.
What's your family's favorite way to spend a Sunday morning?
We enjoy having a leisurely breakfast and going for a family walk.
How does your family celebrate a new family member's arrival?
We have a special gathering and give lots of hugs and gifts. Who in your family is the best at telling bedtime stories?
My grandma tells the most magical bedtime stories.
What's your family's favorite type of cookie?
Chocolate chip cookies are our family's favorite.
How does your family celebrate the first day of school?
We take a photo in front of the house and have a special breakfast.
Who helps with organizing family events or gatherings?
My aunt is usually in charge of organizing family get-togethers.
What's your family's favorite winter activity besides building snowmen?
We enjoy drinking hot cocoa and watching movies during winter evenings.
How does your family celebrate achievements or milestones?
We celebrate by having a special dinner and sharing stories.
Who is the most creative person in your family?
My sister is the most creative. She loves drawing and crafting.
What's your family's favorite holiday dessert?
Pumpkin pie during Thanksgiving is our family's favorite dessert.
How does your family prepare for a family vacation?
We make a checklist together and pack our bags a day before.
Who is the early riser in your family?
My dad wakes up early to enjoy a quiet morning and read the newspaper.
What's your family's favorite fruit to have in a smoothie?
We love adding strawberries to our morning smoothies.
How does your family celebrate a family member's graduation?
We have a graduation party and give thoughtful gifts.
Who is the most organized person when it comes to family outings?
My mom is the most organized. She plans everything ahead of time.
What's your family's favorite family-friendly movie?
Toy Story is our go-to movie for family movie nights.
How does your family express gratitude to each other?
We often say thank you and give hugs to show appreciation.
What's your family's favorite indoor game on a rainy day?
We enjoy playing board games like Candyland indoors.
How does your family celebrate achievements or good deeds?
We celebrate with a small treat or special dinner.
Who helps with setting up decorations for family parties?
We all pitch in to set up decorations for family celebrations.
What's your family's favorite type of sandwich?
Grilled cheese sandwiches are a family favorite for lunch.
How does your family spend a summer afternoon in the backyard?
We play games like badminton and have a picnic in the backyard.
Who is the best storyteller in your family?
My grandpa tells the most interesting stories from the past.
What's your family's favorite bedtime ritual?
We like reading a book together before turning off the lights.
How does your family celebrate a new family member's birthday?
We have a birthday cake and sing happy birthday together.
Who is the most helpful person in your family when someone is sick?
My mom takes care of us and makes comforting soup.
How does your family express love to each other?
We often say I love you and give hugs to show affection.